In this video, we will look at some of the best BGA Rework stations on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, Yuhua 980 to Rapid Heating Soldering Iron Station. Are you in search of a reliable soldering iron station for your electronic welding projects? Look no further than the Yuhua 980 to Rapid Heating Soldering Iron Station. Rapid heating. The Yuhua 980 to boasts rapid heating capabilities, ensuring quick startup and efficient soldering sessions. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to increased productivity. Compatibility. Designed to be compatible with the C-to-10 solder iron handle, this station offers versatility for various electronic welding and rework tasks. Whether you're working on intricate circuit boards or larger projects, the Yuhua 980 has you covered. Precision control. Achieve precise temperature control with the Yuhua 982. Its advanced technology allows for accurate temperature adjustments, ensuring optimal soldering results without damaging delicate components. Durable build. Crafted with quality materials, this soldering iron station is built to last. From its sturdy construction to its reliable performance, the Yuhua 982 is a tool you can trust for years to come. User-friendly design. Featuring an intuitive interface and ergonomic design, the Yuhua 982 is easy to use even for beginners. Spend less time figuring out complicated settings and more time focusing on your projects. The Yuhua 980 to Rapid Heating Soldering Iron Station is a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient soldering solution. Number 4, Suan A9 Soldering Station. Are you on the hunt for a reliable soldering station to elevate your electronic welding projects? Look no further than the Suan A9 Soldering Station. Intelligent design. The Suan A9 is an intelligent soldering station compatible with T115, T210, T245 handles. It's also compatible with JBC soldering tips, offering versatility for various soldering tasks. The station's handle features a dormant metal ring, automatically entering sleep mode when inserted into the stand, ensuring energy efficiency and safety. Fast and accurate heating. Unlike traditional soldering stations that use AC voltage to control temperature, the Suan A9 employs a chip program to regulate temperature. This innovative approach results in fast and precise heating, allowing you to work efficiently and achieve optimal soldering results. Wide temperature range. With a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius minus 450 degrees Celsius 212 degrees Fahrenheit minus 840 degrees Fahrenheit, the Suan A9 caters to a wide range of soldering needs. Whether you're working on delicate circuitry or larger components, you can trust this soldering station to provide the perfect temperature for the task at hand. High power output. Boasting a power output of 120 W max. Number 3, Yuhua Quick Heating T12 Soldering Station. Are you searching for a soldering station that delivers quick heating, precise temperature control, and enhanced user convenience? Look no further than the Yuhua Quick Heating T12 Soldering Station. Quick heating and accurate temperature control. The Yuhua T12 soldering station excels in rapid heating, allowing you to start working within seconds. With precise temperature control, you can achieve optimal soldering results without overheating components or damaging delicate materials. Auto sleep and auto power off. Enjoy enhanced energy efficiency and safety with the built-in auto sleep and auto power off features. When the soldering iron is not in use, it automatically enters sleep mode to conserve energy. Additionally, it powers off after a specified period of an activity, preventing unnecessary power consumption and reducing the risk of accidents. Number 2, RF to Soldering Station. Are you in need of a soldering station that offers fast desoldering capabilities and intelligent features for precise electronic component work? Look no further than the RF to Soldering Station. Surface mount component dismantling and welding. The RF to Soldering Station is ideal for dismantling and welding various surface mount electronic components, including SOIC, chip, QFP, PLCC, BGA, and more, ensuring efficient and precise workmanship. Mobile phone wiring and holder disassembly. It's also suitable for disassembling and welding mobile phone wiring and wiring holders, providing versatility for a range of electronic repair tasks. Multi-purpose heating applications. Beyond soldering, this station serves multiple heating purposes, including heating, drying, paint removal, glue removal, thawing, bonding, and thermal testing for heat-shrinkable hoses and various plastics. Number 1. Auton ST86-D Hot Air Gun BGA Rework Station. Are you searching for a powerful and versatile hot air rework station to tackle your BGA rework projects with ease? Look no further than the Auton ST86-D Hot Air Gun BGA Rework Station LCD screen display. The Auton ST86-D features an intuitive LCD screen that displays the operating temperature and status, allowing for visual monitoring and seamless interaction between the user and the machine. Menu-style operation. With menu-style operation, this rework station offers 3 sets of fast temperature and air volume access keys, enabling quick switching between common temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. Strong airflow with brushless fans. Experience robust airflow powered by brushless fans, ensuring efficient heat distribution and precise control during soldering and desoldering tasks. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.